got my drone drop right here, and let's go and see what's inside. Go ahead and so I've gotten so far about 3 or 4 of these. Last one came with a frame. The other one came with an ESC. This one's got some pretty cool stickers here. Not bad. Interesting. Team Black Sheep. Whoa there. I was wondering why it was so heavy. And, not too sure what these are for. These are diamond files. Not sure what they're for yet. Alrighty. Couple straps. HQ straps, that is. Ooh, what do we got here? 5x4.3 by 3. Ooh, that's perfect. These will definitely be used. Probably broken. Alrighty. Interesting. We're doing some ethics neck strappage. Now we've got some, these look like flight controller heat shrink covers. And look at this, guys. I just ordered one of these, but, hey, can never have too much heat shrink. But you know what, for someone that's just starting out, this would have been perfect. So, I think I know, if you're like first starting out, and you're just seeing this, I think the drone drop's a pretty good thing for you. I didn't know I was going to get this, and so I went ahead and ordered some. But this is just good stuff to have anyways. And here it is. What do we have here? It says RunCam on it. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. What do we have here? Oh wow. Nice little mount right there. There it is. The Robin. So we got a little micro RunCam right here. This one is the Robin. So sweet. I'm pretty stoked with that. I was actually looking for a camera. Have one on the way, but I needed another one. And I know where this is going.